what's up guys? So we are here today again. We're going to review another tool. So what we have here, a green laser 360 green laser from Bosch. So i-review natin guys ang ating laser level, kung accurate ba siya. At yan, dito sa site ngayon at meron kaming na-install dito ng mga outlets. We already installed some power outlets, power points, and which is already leveled using water hose level. Yan. And it has been already inspected by our consultant before, and it is okay enough to. So I'm going to check laser level if it is accurate or not. Okay, so stay tuned, watch and relax. So as you can see, yan yung ating mga outlets na nakabang sa concrete at saka sa, and also here ng gypsum board. Yan sa gypsum board. So I have here the Bosch 360 laser level with a model number GLL3-330CG. Yan. I already set up this guys. So ang gagawin ko na lang is to turn it on. Okay? Dali. Yan. So it's already turned on. So I'm using only horizontal level. Yan, pailaw na. So, yan. So you can see. So the level is accurate. Yan. Yan guys, nakita nyo? Nakita nyo? Level na level. Ito hindi pa na lilinisin pa yun. So here also, yan. Pag tinanggal ko, you will see here, yan, a level yan. Yan yung kanyang outlet dyan. See? Very accurate. Yun. So kasama ng box niya ay isang green laser level. Yan. Isang battery. Isang mount. Hindi kasama ang tripod. Tripod is not included. Only this mount. And also this clip mount. Yan. Which you are going to attach here. And clip it somewhere in ceiling area or higher area. It also has a battery, yan. Adapter if you're going to use AA, 4 AA battery. Yan. So good thing kung halimbawa maubusan kayo ng battery sa inyong Li-ion, sa Li-ion battery niya, pwede kayong bumili ng battery na AA, apat na AA. So for AA, you're going to put it in here and you're good to go in case you are out of batteries sa inyong Li-ion battery. Also, it comes with a charger. Yan. With a charger and a green target. Yan, green target. Also pouch. Yan, may pouch siya guys. Lagyan. Right now, I'm going to choose the vertical line laser level. Yan. So just press this one. Now it is the vertical line. So it's beeping, meaning yung level niya ay hindi tama. So kailangan kong i-adjust ang level para hindi tumunog. So ayan. I can use this vertical line or the other one. Ayan, pwede rin ito. And to see if the line is straight. So like this one, the door jamb, I mean the edge of the door, as you can see. Nakikita niyo yan. Tabingi yung gawa nila. Huli kayo. So ayan guys. So pwede rin siyang gamitin as plumb bob. Meron siyang point, cross point dito. Yan. Hulog, kumbaga. And sa taas din, makikita nyo. There. Yan. Hindi lang siya malinaw kasi medyo maliwanag. Yan. Yan yung hulog niya. For example. So again, using the vertical line, kung mag-layout kayo ng tiles, for example, yan. Kung mag-layout kayo ng tiles, itong gagamitin nyo. Or you can choose this both cross line. Cross line. As you can see. Yan, kung mag-layout kayo ng tiles, yan, cross line. Horizontal and vertical. Ayan, horizontal and vertical. Okay. But in case kung nasa labas kayo ng outdoor, for example, nasa outdoor area kayo, tapos masyadong maliwanag, yung laser is hindi na maklaro. The laser will not be clear in daylight. So what you are going to use is you are going to purchase this laser receiver. I have a LR8 laser receiver. So to use this, ito lang gagawin nyo guys. To activate the laser receiver, you have to activate this one. Okay, so nakailaw na. And then you have to turn this on. So like right now, nadidinig nyo, meron siyang signal. It's because malapit siya sa device, sa receiver, sa laser. Malapit siya dito. Pero dapat ilayo-layo na siya para hindi siya tumunog. Yan. Baka sabihin nyo sira. Hindi sira yan. Normal talaga yan pag nasa malapit kayo. Yan. Yan, di-detect siya. It will detect even if there is no laser detection because it is close to each other. So you have to, although this is designed to put pinpoint far away from the laser level. So to use this one, and for example here, as you can see, we have this green. The board is also light green. So the laser level is not clearly been seen. Yan, hindi masyadong kita yung ano. Gagawin nyo lang. Okay, you have to put this receiver. Ayan. Oh, natakpan. Ayan. Better I have to remove. I'm going to remove this handle. Okay. So yun. Once na makita nyo na yung line, andito yung mark niya. And here also. So when the line shows up, pwede nyo lang linyahan dito. You have to mark this both sides. So that is your level. Okay. Kanina medyo magalaw yung laser level because the wind is too strong going inside this room. Pag vertical line naman siya guys, so kanina naka-horizontal. If the line is horizontal, you're going to use like this way. But if you're going to trace the vertical line, you're going to put this laser receiver in this way also. Okay, so testing. Ayan. Okay. And meron din siyang attachment dito. Magnet. There's a 8 strong magnet that you are going to attach For example, if there is an I-beam or any metal parts that you can use to attach this one for proper leveling. Yan. Alright guys, so we are here in an electrical room. We are here in electrical room. So I brought this laser level and to check if the panels are all level at the same level. And you can see, yan, naka-level lahat. As per standard, it is 1.8 meters. 1.8 meters. Top of the panel board. So yun guys, makikita nyo. Straight na straight yung pagkagawa namin. Yan. Yan. Perfectly horizontally and vertically level. Pag mag-check, dali nyo yung consultant, dali nyo to, pag mag-check kung sa tamang level yan. Yan. Toilet paper hold, paper ang tawag dyan. Ewan ko ang tawag dyan. Basta lalagyan ng lalagyan ng tissue tsaka tissue bin. Yan, mga waste. Yan. Naka-label siya. Ayan. And also this is good for making tile layout. So I will show you guys. So yun guys, dito tayo sa labas, sa rooftop, and i-check natin kung hanggang saan ang layo ng ating laser receiver. Ayan. So currently, nasa pang 7 tayo nitong poste na to. Itong support, pang 7. So 7. And between each nito, yan, and between itong dalawa na poste, nasa mga around 3 meters. Ayun guys, makikita nyo, andun yung ating laser 360. And yan, ganyan kalayo yan. Nandito ako. Okay. Yan, so ngayon naka-on na ating laser receiver. Ayan, i-test na natin dito. Check ko na to, ito yung maximum nya. So meron pa siyang signal. Accurate kasi, accurate lang. I-select na lang natin yung accurate. Ayan. Malabo niya nang makita. So gaya ng sinukat ko kanina doon sa kabilang side, eh umabot siya ng 20 meters din. So here meron siyang 7 poles, 7 na support ng pipe. So 7 times 3 is 21. So lagpas pa siya ng konti. So more or less 20 meters away. Daylight. Yan. Again, it is having a magnetic support. So direct mo lang siyang i-attach. Yun. And matigas. Very sturdy. Hindi siya madaling nalalaglag. It cannot be easily removed. So dito na nagtatapos ang ating video guys. Salamat at sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating review for today ng 360 Bosch Green Laser Level GLL 3-330CG. Ayan. Please comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto nyo itanong about sa ating laser level. And hopefully to see you again in my next vlog and for another review of another tool, power tool or hand tool. Ayan guys. And thank you very much. Sa mga bago dyan at hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. Ayan. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos na ina-upload. Ayan. So, ayan. Please like na rin kung nagustuhan nyo guys. And please share para na rin ma-share sa ating mga friends and relatives. At may pakita natin ang kung ano ang ating tools na nire-review ngayon. At para na rin sa kanilang information about sa tools na ito. Ayan. So, paalam guys. See you and bye-bye. Good luck. God bless to all. Bye-bye.